We are going to do primary, secondary, color, sorting, activity. So, we have to sort it out. So, can you help ma'am?
Yes.
You want to help ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So, for that, I will assign one color tablet to each children. Like, I am assigning this color. Which color is this? Yellow color. This is, I am going to assign this color to Sivisha. Then Sivisha needs to pick only yellow color. Which color? Can you guess which color is this? Blue. And I am going to assign this color? Shorya. Which color is this? Red. Yes, I am going to assign this color to Meenu. And which color is this? Green. And I am going to assign this color to Shiva. And which color is this, Andre? Orange. Any guesses? Arjun got which color? Wow. And do you any guesses which color Ritika got? Purple. And which color is this? Red. I